Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to help you and take you step by step to make your headlights go from looking like this to looking like this. So just follow along. Alright, this is what you do get in this kit. You will get this 3-inch soft flex backing plate. This is the part that's going to go in your drill. You get this, they call this the Powerball foam polishing tool. And all these are going to go on this. They all got like a Velcro. And you will get some of these. You open this up. There's different ones in here. So we're going to get some 1500 sanding disc, 2 of them, and 2 800s. And then you get a 3000, and then you'll get the plastic polish. I used a different kit on my Toyota Tundra, and it worked really good. So this is the Mothers. They seem to make some really good products for on your cars and trucks, so I thought I'd try the Mothers this time. We'll see how long this lasts. In about a year, I'll try to make another little video showing you what it looks like. This should make these headlights look brand new. And then along with that, I did buy some brighter bulbs to put in. All right, another thing you're going to probably need is like a drill. You can get something like this. It's a little small Milwaukee. It's going to be a little slower, but I really like this thing. It's a little lighter than my bigger one I have. Or you can even have a corded drill. I'll put something down in the description. I'll put this whole entire kit like this down in the description if you guys want to check it out, along with a set of these drills if you want. If you're somebody that's been watching my channel for a while, I use these little Milwaukee drills all the time, and I've said it over and over. I love these little things, and they're not real expensive. I'll throw these down, and if I can find another cordless drill or something battery powered cheaper that looks okay, I'll throw that down there too. Anything you guys click on down there in the description doesn't cost you any more money, but it does help support my channel. All right, let's get to fixing these headlights. All right, a couple more things you're going to need. You're going to need some water and a spray bottle. And I just text my wife, and this is what I come up with. Isn't it pretty? This is not what I would really want to use. It's really weird, but it's going to work. You're going to need some painter's tape and a little like microfiber towel. All right, I got the backing plate in my drill. My chuck's all tightened down, and the first one we're going to use will be the 800. So we will put that on the drill. Smaller the number, the more aggressive the sanding. This is the first one we're going to use. All right, now I'm going to take this painter's tape, and we're going to put this around all these edges, right on the paint of the car, so you do not hit the paint of your car with these like sanding discs. You don't want to scratch your paint all up. Paint on this car is pretty much sucks anyway, but I really don't want to make it any worse. It's going to go a little, and turn it, might bunch up a little, and turn it. Just go on a little bit at a time. I'd have to say I don't think it's going to matter if this looks super pretty, just as long as you're protecting the paint. Probably don't need this wider painter's tape, but this is all I had. Now right here, I'm probably just going to tear it. Maybe start up here. Just do like that around the entire light, and then we'll move to the next step. I'm just kind of taking little pieces and working my way around. That's probably the easiest way. Then you can start doing longer sections. If my wife will let me, I'd like to try to learn a little bit about painting and maybe paint this car. Let me know what you think down in the comments about that. Seeing somebody that never paint a car. I don't think I could mess it up any. You should see the roof of this car. Looks like somebody painted it with a paintbrush. All right, there we go. Now we can go on to the next step. All right, next step is we're going to take some water. We're going to just spray water on there all over the headlight. We're going to start sanding it. We're going to go back and forth, and then a little bit up and down, and just try to overlap. And it's probably going to look milky like that. That's taking all that haze off. It's going to take a little get used to using your drill. If I kind of move my drill this way, or up or down, kind of helps. So I'd recommend starting in the middle to practice with your drill so you can see what it feels like. I'm gonna try to go up and down, back and forth through this whole headlight. I think you should just use some paper towels here too, unless you have a whole bunch of microfiber towels. See what that looks like. It's probably gonna look a little bit scratched up because that's the roughest one. Let's get all that gross yellow off. We'll get better and better as we go. I'm just gonna do a little more here in the front. All right, I did both headlights with this 1-800. Now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put this new one back on, and I'm going to try it one more time just to see. It says in the directions that it should start to look a little more white, not yellow. Just going to do one real quick run with this new one and see if that looks more white and not yellow. So I got all that yellow off. Yeah, it looks a lot less yellow now, so I think I should be all right. Kind of looks more white now. I think I'm going to call step 1 complete. All right, now we are on to the 1500 disc. Put that one on our drill. We're going to do the same thing. You want this to look pretty even when we're done. Same thing, water, back and forth, up and down. Now your headlight should start slowly looking better. You want it to all look similar, so it should all look a little clearer. I think this back here needs done a little more now. That should be good. Probably hard to show you guys on video, but you'll see it. It's real easy. I recommend kneeling on some cardboard or something too, so you don't mess your knees up. That's what I'm doing. If you're doing like a truck, you probably could be just sitting on a chair. That looks better. Now I'm going to do my other light. I'm kind of going back and forth as I do this. All right, now we are on to the 3000, and we're going to do the same thing, but no water. It says in the directions to not use water when we're using the 3000. Hopefully this is going to start making it look a little more clear. It's starting to feel really smooth right now. I kind of found when doing this, it does say in the directions to try to keep it as flat as you can keep it. And I think lighter pressure is better than trying to put too much pressure on it. I think I might have made some of these scratches, but you can kind of, if you want, like see I cleaned up that corner. I don't know if you could even see that on camera, but you can go back over it and start with the more aggressive one and then go to the lighter. You know, you could go from the 800 to 1500, then back to the 3000 and just do a couple little spots over if you want. All right, now we're on to the power ball. Put that on your drill, and now we're going to use the plastic polish. Shake it up a little. You got to open the cap. Put some polish on our little power ball. Just going to kind of wipe some around there. This is the fun part. It's going to really, really look clear now. And start polishing her up. One thing I see this kit didn't come with was like a protectant to put over that. My other kit, I think, came with some other stuff to try to protect that. I'm going to do this one more time. So it looks like I have to go buy some more stuff. It does say here at the bottom of this paper, if you want to look at it, if I find it, I'll throw it down in the description, but it does say don't just restore it, protect it. So there's a 20% discount code here I can get. Headlight protection kit. I feel like I should get some of that because it will help this last longer. But I think that other kit I had already came with that stuff. If you want to check out that, I'll have it in the description. This looks really, really good. Take your microfiber towel. That looks 100 times better. Yeah, look at that. They look brand new. Other than, I still look like I have a couple scratches in it, but make sure you try to keep that drill flat. I think I was angling mine a little too much. That's pretty. All right, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'll put a link to this kit down in my description, along with the other kit that I used on my Toyota Tundra. That kit I think that came with like a protectant you put over this at the end. This one here looks like you have to buy some more stuff, but it does look way nicer. It feels real nice and smooth. I definitely should be able to see a lot easier at night. Well, I hope this video did help you out. If it did, leave me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this helped you out. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.